Now in this program, we're going to build on what we did before, all right? So if you carry on from the previous video where we've entered a number and we've got the input, I'm just going to remove these two lines. So we've got the maths, we've also got the using of the namespace, we've entered a number and we've got that input as an integer. Now what we can actually do is use something called selection. And you will have seen this in Python before, if you've programmed in Python, that is, using the if keyword. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the same here. But I'm going to change this. Please enter an age. So enter your age. And we're going to put my age as the variable, my age as the variable. And what we're going to do here is we're going to say if age is greater than or equal to 18. Now, everything that you want to happen as a result of that action goes inside these brackets. So if the age is greater than or equal, you can say cout, all right? You can vote. And then at the end of that line, I'm going to put \n. I'm going to finish off that semicolon. So that's one condition, all right? I need to make sure I've used the correct variable as well, my age, okay? Now, the next condition we're going to do, all right, is going to be an else if, all right? My age is equal to 17, we can tell them that they've got one more year to go. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say cout, you can vote next year. And we're going to go \n as well. And remember to finish off the line. And last, we only need one more condition. So we're only going to do an else here. And that else is going to say cout, you must be at least 18 to vote. \n, finish off the line with the correct syntax. And now if I run this, what I should be able to do is do some selection statements. So I can run that. It's going to ask me my age now, and I'm going to put in 36. Let me actually click over here where I should be typing it. And it says I can vote. If I run it, let's check the other conditions. As programmers, we need to check all conditions work. So we're going to say 17. You can vote next year. Now let's put in 16 to see what it says. You must be at least 18 to vote. So that is a program that introduces selection. Remember that selection controls the path of the program, and depending on the input, so we've got here, if age is greater than or equal to 18, so that tests that input. Else, so that's like an or this statement could be true. Otherwise, do this, all right? So have a play with it. See, maybe you could create a quiz based on the input that somebody's typed in, because we can also use strings. Have a go and see how you get on.